Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right? Today we have something special. Oh, we always have surprises. So today we are going to cook rice steak. Rice steak guys, pan set. This is very special, very tasty, yummy. So with our rice steak, we have our cabbage here. We cut them. Akono very special. Have chicken breast guys. Guess what? It's very tasty, yummy. And I have garlic here. Guys, I have my onions special. I cut them and put in the pot. So now I have vegetables. You can't believe. These are the vegetables. So I have lobia here, which is green beans. I have red pepper, green pepper. I have green onions. I have carrots, and I have broccoli, guys. What are you saying? Today is a special yummy day, and I have chili here, red pepper. So guys, join me. Let's cook. Let's get started, guys. Yeah, alright. So now we will put our onions on fire. It's just a bit of oil, guys. So guys, it's just a bit of olive oil. We will fry everything half done. Not full. We want just half done. Yeah? That's the guys. So now the onions will be. So now the pancit also is on fire. Okay? This is how it is. Very white. So let's take it. So guys, this one let me take them short, fast. Right? So now I'll put everything together. Now I fry the onion just 2 minutes. I'll put the broccoli. All have to go inside one time. I put the green onions also. The carrots, guys. Green and red pepper all go inside. And now lobia. Guys, now I'm putting the cabbage in. put a bit chili. Not all, you know. So guys, now I want to put the I put now, I have to off the fire to pan it so that we will be soft. Guys, so this is the way we do it. You can say, everybody say, everybody say, everybody say. Oh. Super delicious, guys. Check out. You join us to eat, guys. We are waiting for you to join us. We are waiting for you to join us. So, guys, I wish you were here to taste. Very delicious. Super delicious, not only delicious. Wow. So guys, there we go. Party time, there we go, party time. All right, guys, so we finished our Thanksgiving. Woo! Guys, this is easy, very simple to cook. 2 minutes, you finish. See? So we have our soya sauce here, which we serve with it. Very easy, delicious, yum. Super. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for your time, and see you in the next video. Love you all, guys.